before and after photos. I will show how you can easily change a ceiling light fixture. First, we must assemble the new fixture. Here are the parts and instruction sheet. There are so many choices in selecting a light fixture. Yours will probably be a little different from mine. So I will fast forward through this part for you. The important thing about any assemble project is to lay out all of the parts before you start. Then follow the instructions provided. Removing the old fixture. Be sure power is off before you begin. I remove the globe and light bulb to get them out of the way. Then remove the screws that are holding the fixture to the mounting plate. Then disconnect the wires. The last thing to remove is the old mounting plate. There should be a new mounting plate that fits your new light fixture. Install that now with the screws provided. It is helpful to support the new fixture while you are reconnecting the wires. I used a cardboard box sitting on top of my ladder. That worked out well for me. Connect the wires using wire nuts provided. If you only have 2 wires available, it really does not matter which is which for most lights. But if your wires are color-coded or you have 3 wires go black to black, white to white, and green to copper, or to the electrical box. After the wires are connected, carefully tuck the wire nuts up into the electrical box. Now you can attach the light fixture to the mounting bracket with the screws provided. And that is
how that
works with Hank Baugh. Please like and subscribe.